Hello reception children, it's Mrs Delgado and I'm here to teach your maths this week. Now, I've got some objects on my table in front of me that will give you a clue so you can think about what we might be learning this week. Have a look and see. So let's look at what we have. Here we've got a sand timer. We have a clock. We have a stopwatch and we have a diary. What do all these things have in common, do you think? They will help us to measure the time. So we are going to be learning about time this week. For our first lesson today, we're going to think about putting things in order. Okay, so we're going to think about different events in our day and put them in the right order. To start off with, we're going to think about getting ready for school. I've got some pictures that I'll show you in just a minute. And it's some of the things that we do as we're getting ready for school. And I want you to have a think about putting those things in the right order. I'm going to have a go too, so I'll show you the pictures now and see if you can do it. So here we have some pictures of the things we do when we're getting ready to go to school. Having breakfast, walking to school, getting dressed and brushing our teeth. I'm not sure they're in the right order though. Pause now and see if you can have a go at putting these things in the right order. I'm going to have a go now. So I'm going to start with getting dressed. Now when I'm getting ready for school, once I've got dressed, then next I eat my breakfast. After I've eaten my breakfast, then I brush my teeth. And finally, I walk to school. Actually, I come in the car, but perhaps you walk to school. Now this might be different for everybody. You might have your breakfast before you get dressed. I wonder if you've put them in the right order for you. Okay, well done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be thinking about 3 words. Now, next, and then. We use those words sometimes when we're measuring time in the day. So we think about what we're doing now, what we might be doing next, and then what we'll be doing then. So I've got this to show you. Have a little look. So I've used a piece of paper, can you see that here? I've pinned it to my board at home and I've got 3 words here, now, next and then. I'm going to think about what I'm going to be doing today and I'm going to draw some pictures to show what I'm doing now, what I'll be doing next and what I'll be doing then. And I'm going to draw some pictures to show you. So now, right now, I'm using my iPad to make some videos for you all, some maths videos. So I'm going to draw my iPad. There it is. So that's my iPad. So now I'm working on my iPad to make some videos for you. Next, I'm going to have a break and I'm going to make myself a nice cup of tea. Then, after that, boys and girls, I'll need to get out my laptop and I'll need to do some work on my laptop to help you all. So, here it is. Here's my laptop. Can you see? So, I've thought about what I'm doing now, what I'll be doing next and what I'll be doing then. Now I'm using my iPad to make videos. Next I'm going to have a cup of tea and a little rest. Then I'm going to get out my laptop and do some work. I wonder what you are doing now. I wonder what you'll be doing next. And I wonder what you'll be doing then. I wonder if you can make a now, next and then board just like mine. You'll need a piece of paper and you can split it into 3 and you could try drawing 3 pictures. a picture of what you're doing now, a picture of what you'll be doing next, and a picture of what you'll be doing then. So we've been learning about time today, and we've been putting things in order. We started off by looking at getting ready for school and putting the events in order of how we get ready for school before we go to school. Then we had a think about the words now, next, and then. Tomorrow we're going to be thinking about days of the week. That's another way that we can measure time. We can think about what we did today or yesterday or tomorrow. I'll talk to you more about that in our next maths lesson, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed our maths lesson today, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.